In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a workspace in Slack. If you need to step away from a Slack space and you're trying to remove yourself from it, the process is very quick once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path shown on screen so you can follow along easily and leave the channel you no longer want to be part of. To begin, open Slack and go to the channel you want to leave. This is important because the leave option appears from inside the specific channel itself. So before doing anything else, make sure you've selected the correct one from your sidebar. If you're in the wrong place, you may end up leaving a different channel than intended. So it's worth taking a second to confirm the channel name at the top of the screen. Once you're inside the channel, move your attention to the upper right side of the Slack window. There, you'll see the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Actions menu. Click on that icon to open a list of additional options for the current channel. This menu is where Slack places actions that aren't immediately visible in the main view, including the option to leave. After the menu opens, look for the option labeled Leave Channel. When you see it, click it. As soon as you do, Slack will remove you from that channel, and you'll no longer receive new messages or notifications from it unless you join again later. A helpful thing to keep in mind is that leaving a channel is different from deleting it. When you leave, the channel still exists for other members, but you're simply removing yourself from it. This can be useful if a channel is no longer relevant to your work, if you're trying to reduce notification noise, or if you just want to keep your Slack workspace more organized. Also, be aware that if the channel is important for team updates or project communication, you may want to double check before leaving, so you don't miss anything essential. If needed, you can usually rejoin public channels later, depending on your workspace settings. And that's it. The process is simple. Open the channel, click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, and choose Leave Channel. Once you know where that option is, it only takes a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you leave a Slack channel quickly and confidently.